Hello YouTube, fellow viewers and subscribers. How are you today? I'm gonna show you. You have this RC and it comes with this battery tray. We all know, and you wanna put this battery or this, or maybe you want to put a car big battery. All this can fit this vehicle. You wanna know how? This is how. This is, I'm gonna show you. This is the battery bracket. You see? I cut a steel plate, 1 millimeter thick steel plate, and I screwed it in here. It has a screw from the top and a nut from the bottom, and then I glued with super glue velcro here. And what this does is you put this here with this, and now you can use wherever you want. You can put this here. It doesn't come out. If you want extra security, you use something like this that goes through this hole and holds the battery. You can buy this many places, but I'll try to put a link in the description if you want to buy it online. And that's it. You see, you can put this bigger one as well, although it is a bit heavy, but they all fit. Even this longer one, as you saw, it fits, it doesn't touch nothing. So that's my tip for today for you all owners of the beast. Alright, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, or if you like this content. Alright, it does help me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.